Hi guys, welcome back to Rishka and Friends. So, welcome to today's episode. I'm going to show you an awesome science experiment. For this, you will be needing a bowl, a glass, and some water in it, and a handkerchief, and a few rubber bands. So, let's start. So, here's our glass of water. Now, upon that, we're going to keep our handkerchief. Make sure it's tight. Then I'm going to tie the rubber band like so. So, here we go. There we go. So there's some water inside this, and I close it off with napkin and rubber bands. Now I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to turn this over into my bowl. As you can see, some water dripped off, but then it literally stopped dripping. So this blew my mind off. I'm like, how is this possible? Like, how is water just stuck there? Is it finally coming down? Come on, see. It's not even happening with this. Now I'll explain you why. So, when the water touches the surface like this, now you see the water is falling off when you press it, because then the surface tension is broken. That's right. This is all about surface tension, because the full surface is covered with the napkin and it's touching the water, so the water doesn't come out. But now when I make one person really low, the water just falls off. So that's all about this experiment. Even I couldn't believe it the first time I saw it. I hope you liked my experiment today, and I wish you subscribe to this channel. So that's all for today. Bye!